Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to create a main menu UI screen. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you just need to go to over here. You can see this like small mind map icon. Just click on that and now you can see we're in like a node system. So first, you just need to add a UI screen. You can see this UI screen over here. Just add that. So drag and drop it. And now over here, just click on this and just remove it. And just from the lower, put it to this lower. Now just double click on the UI screen and we're over here. Now let's just add an event observer because we wanted to observe what we do, right? So let's just scroll down over here and in the logic section, you can see event observer. So just drag it right over here. You can put it here or here, okay, anywhere. So now let's just add some text. So let's go over here. I'm just not gonna add a default font. Let's create a new one. So first, let's go to the font editor over here. You can see font editor. Click on the font editor. And now let's select Anton. I think Anton looks really nice. Look, Anton looks so nice, right? So now I have selected Anton and over here as the name, let's put custom font. I think custom font is a nice name. And now I want to add a stroke to this. So let's click on over here. You can see stroke, right? Just click on this drop. So click on that. And now let's change the color of the stroke to black. So black, so just go to here. And now I think that looks nice. Let's just increase the stroke to 2, I think 2 looks nice. So now let's just close this window over here. And then you can see custom font over here. You can see the custom font. Just drag that over here. Now let's just change the text of it. So let's change it to Space Adventure because my game is Space Adventure. So space right there, you can see space. Let's just increase that size. I think that much is pretty nice. Now let's duplicate this. So let's click on the font over here and Control D. Okay, just click Control D. Now let's just move it right over here. Okay, so move it and let's change it to Adventure, Space Adventure. Space Adventure. And now let's just make it nicely centered and you can see that is over there. That looks so nice, right? Now in a main menu screen there's like a play button, play, and then a resume and then a shop, right? To buy like hats or something like that with your coins. So now let's just add that. Now over here you can see I've opened up my file explorer. So now let's just drag the play. You can see this play button, just drag it into over here and then if I just move this to the right over here, you can see it opens up with navigation button. Over here there's navigation button, just drag it onto that. And now if we just minimize the file explorer, you can see there's play. I think the position is pretty nice. I'm just gonna keep it over there, okay? Now let's add the next button. So the next button is the resume button. So let's just click on that and drag it over here. And now let's set it to navigation button and let's minimize it. Now let's change the position. So I'm just gonna move it a little bit down. I think right there. Now the X is not aligned correctly. So let's click on the play. Let's copy it. So let's copy this. So click on that and hit Ctrl C. Let's go to resume and paste it now. So over here you can see now it's perfectly aligned. Now let's add the last button. The last button is the shop. You can see shop over here. Just drag that. So let's drag it over here. Navigation button. And now let's just bring it down. I think right there is the perfect spot. So let's just make it the same values. There you go. Now you can see play, resume and shop. Now for Space Adventure, wouldn't there be a space background? Obviously, right? So let's just add a space background behind everything. Over here, you can see I have my space image. So let's just drag it And instead of using a navigation button, which is right here, let's use image, because this is gonna be an image, not a button, right? So let's just put image over there. Let's minimize the file explorer and let's just bring this down. You know how? Just select the image over here and drag it down right there. Now you can see it's below everything. Now let's just put it right here and let's just increase the size a little bit. I'm just gonna increase it to around that much, and let's increase it around there, and that looks nice. So let's change the opacity. Let's change it to 0.6. So 0.6. There we go. Now you can see the opacity is lowered. Now before we test the game, let's make the play button work. So let's go to the mind map over here. And now over here you can see there's UI screen and there's a few buttons. Now you can see we don't really understand these, right? So let's just start naming these. So this play is the play button. So let's make it play button. Now let's go to the mind map and let's hook up this play button to the load over here. Yeah, we just need to make it like this. You can see right over here, play button to load. So drag it and drop it. And now let's just go to the 3D world. And now let's just play it. So click on this play button. And now over here you can see I'm in the preview. And now there is Space Adventure with the background that we created. Also there's play, resume and shop. So let's click on the play. And you can see now we have come to the 3D world. That is so cool. If you did that, great job. Give yourself a pat on the back for that great and amazing work. It's really good, okay? So that's it for this lesson. I will see you in my next lesson.